This video will show you how to make soup măng cua Vietnamese asparagus crab soup. Here are the ingredients you'll need. First, you need to fill a pot with water, bring to a boil, add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, add in 2 pounds of pork bones, blanch the bones, rinse with water. Once you're done, set it aside. Fill a large pot with water, about 15 cups. Add in the blanched bones and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Bring to a simmer. Remember to skim the broth. Once it starts to boil, add in 1 peeled onion and 3-ounce rock sugar. Continue to let it simmer for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Rinse and cut 1 can of asparagus. Set it aside. Then separate 2 eggs. You need 2 egg whites. Now you need to mix 1½ cup water with 3/4 cup tapioca starch and set aside. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, remove the onion and the pork bones. Skim the broth to make sure you have a nice clean clear broth. Steam 1 crab, remove the meat and add it into the broth. Add in half a teaspoon of white pepper. Add in half a teaspoon of kosher salt or to taste. Add in the asparagus. Bring the pot to a high simmer. Stir the soup and gradually pour in the tapioca mixture. Next, you want to pour in the egg whites. Add in 1 tablespoon of white cooking wine. Add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well and serve hot. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you so much for watching.